Good afternoon, everyone. Time check. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's vlog time for me. So, for today, for this episode, it's gonna be what's inside my bag. So, this is my bag. So, actually, I'm the type who only has one bag. Kay feel na ko kung sige ko ilis-ilis o bag basi na makalimtan na importante. So, usa na akong bag nga gamiton. Kanya, kung madaot na siya, that's the time na ako na ilisan. Unless an occasion really calls for a different bag. So, this is my bag. The color is nude. Actually, terno ko karon. So, akong dress is also rose pink. I mean, terno in a sense na puro nude. Akong dress is rose pink. My shoes color is flesh. And then I think my bag's color is also, I'm not sure, brown nga may pagka-flesh. So, ano siya ang sulod. So, I will get the contents one by one and then I will explain. So, first is cologne. So, this is very important for me kay in a day, sington man siya ta. So, to prevent bad odor or something like that. So I put this. Then lotion. So I'm using Glutalite by Personal Collection. So this is SPF 20. So my friend says, my doctor friend says, the higher the SPF, the better. Then my eyeglasses. So, dugay na kanina ko. This has been with me for 5 years or since 2015. So, this is sponsored by my papa. Then, sudlay, dugay na sa kanina ko. I guess, year 2015 or 2016. So actually grabe jud ko mo keep og butangan, mag-goal jud ko kung mawala siya. So actually naapod unta ni pink. But nawala katong niadto ko sa Oslo bag 2016. March 2016. Si inana ko mo pahalaga og butang kay balo jud ko kanus anak ko na acquire ug kanus anak ko nawala. Then my pencil case. So, this pencil case, I bought this pag 2017 while I was reviewing for the bar. So, see, hinana siya kung keep ang butang. So, actually, bati na siya. But still, I don't want to throw this away because daghan kay ni memories attached. So, what's inside my pencil case? So, ironically, what's inside my pencil case are ball pens, usually. So, I collect ball pens. So, I have black ball pen, I have red, I have violet, I have sky blue, I have pink, I have blue, I have green, I have yellow-green, and then I have orange, and then I have yellowish orange. Then, another blue one. So, kabalo ba mo ang uban ani, especially kaning black o kaning blue, kaning mga, di ba? Refillable man ni kaning mga original case ani. Mo pa ni akong gigamit while reviewing for the bar last 2017. So that is how I keep things, important kay na ko ang ball pen. Then of course I cannot live without correction tape. Kay if ever na ako'y sayop sa akong pagsuwat, ganahan jud ko nga mag-cover siya properly with a correction tape. Then highlighter. So studies show pala. Pinaka-effective color ko no is orange, but what I have with me is yellow. Then I have my pen, and then supposedly gyud na ata jud ko'y ruler. Kay feel ako maguba gid akong organization skills ko akong ruler, but nawala na jud siya ang sulod. Napalit pa ko. Then I have glue. So mo na isulod sa ako ang pencil case. Then what's next inside my bag is health kit. Sa nursing na may gitawag og health kit, and even until now I am keeping a health kit. So this health kit, now that I'm already old, is more of a makeup kit. So what's inside my makeup kit? So of course mirror. So kani nga mirror napalit ni nako December 2019. Kay naguba na akong mirror for how many years pod, I don't know, since college pa ko mao nagnig ni akong gigamit. Yeah, flip-flop ni siya, but natangtang na ang other end. So other side, so that's the time when I give up na jud ko and ipalit ko another mirror na inani pod og style and same color. So I hope this will serve me also for how many years also, and if possible I hope I will not lose this. Then actually kulang ni kanabilin ang ako ang moisturizer. So how I put my makeup actually is, first I have my moisturizer. So sayang kay nabilin sa apartment. Then next is CC cream by Avon. Then a friend gave me this lipstick and I really like this Maybelline lipstick. Then of course I have my alcohol. Then before my friend gave me Maybelline, I was a Revlon user. So I really like Revlon lipstick. And of course my vitamin C. Then my toothbrush, my mascara, my Hair Shine by Watsons. Then toothpaste, very important, nail cutter. So I learned this from Casey Concepcion na one way of ingon ra pud siya ha, one way kuno of judging a person's character is through his or her nails. So that's why it's important to cut regularly. So I don't know, ni tatakis ito sa akong may diyang giingon. Then very important also kaning pang-ahit sa kilay. Then karon wala na kayo kung nagsigbutang ani eyeliner. Wa ko kayo sigbutang ani ron kay tungod sa akong eyelash nga maglisod na kog butang, kay ang akong eyelash medyo napabutangan og medisina, mao nang magsigig inana isod na kay magbutang og eyeliner. Then ako ang pangkilay. So hapit na siya mahurot, palit na sad ko. Then tahal sa eyeliner, eyebrow. Then naulahi lip balm. So before applying lipstick, it is really recommended to put lip balm. And kani cheek, I don't use this actually, but I am keeping this tint. I am keeping this just in case I will need this in the future. So, next to my health or makeup kit is my wallet. I bought this last year kay naguba na pud akong wallet. So inana jud ko. Unya ra ko mopalit kung naguba na. So kato super guba naman jud kay maglusot naman ang mga silsiyo. So I bought this at Country Mall for only, guess how much? 150 pesos. So, yeah, nakanindot niya 150 ra pero daghan kay butanganan. Then, tissue. And then, of course, I guess this is the most important content of my bag, my planner. Planners. Actually, for this year, I have 2 planners. So, this is the main planner. So, this is for the June entry. Then, what is at the back or inside of my main planner? Akong schedule sa CCC, sa Carcar City College o Secretariat College, kaya I'm teaching there. Then, my 2020 monthly bill. Nana ko, so naadere, date, para asa, and then amount, then every month akong checkan kung nakabayad na ako or wala. Para maka-track jud ko kung bayranan. And then my second planner. So at the back, budget notebook. So ari na ko ibutang ang mga earnings. So date, amount received, or reason why I received the amount. And then, house spent. So, inana ko nga klase nga pagkatao. Even a single centavo, ako dyan na inote, yun sana ako paggasto. Kay, feeling na ko, kung ako kahibalo, asa na ako magasto, feel na ko, ako ang gi-waste. So, and I don't want to waste even a single centavo because it's really, really hard to earn, especially these days. And ito ba nga na is important notes. So, for example, if na ako'y hearings and I need to take down notes, so na ako'y butang dito. And then, so, empty na. Almost empty na akong bag. Kay na sa table. So, nahabilin for this compartment. Key sa office o sa apartment. Pugong sa buhok. Bracelets nga nahabilin sa akong very close friend sa apartment. And then sometimes if I miss her or I feel like wearing it, I wear this. Then, key sa apartment. And that's all. So, actually, aside from my main bag, na karon lang jud, this week lang ko nag-start na apakoy extra bag. Tawag ko na siya extra bag kay mao ni akong dala-dalaon inig uli na ko sa apartment or inigikan ako sa apartment padulong sa office. Okay? Ang akong main bag, bugat ra kay siya. So, ibutang na ko diri sa ako ang extra bag, ang akong health kit, makeup kit, of course, kay I will need that in preparing to go to the office every morning. And, of course, my keys. So, that's all for today. See you next vlog.